Hello everybody. I just wanted to make a little video because I am very excited. Very excited. Because soon I am about to start building my PC. Now, here are my stuff for now. The iQOO H100i RGB Pro XT liquid cooling. I got a Ryzen 7 3700X. I have the Rockstrix B550F gaming motherboard. And for my case, I have the Carbide Spect Omega RGB. All in packaging still. I just didn't want to open it. And tomorrow, I am on my way to get the power supply, which is a Corsair 750 watt gold. And for my, what is it called? My graphics card, which is in my other computer right now, it's the 1650 Super. So, I just wanted to give a little update that I'm going to finally be building my own computer soon, and I am very excited about it. But I will show you guys when it is done here in probably a week or so. But anyways, thank you. Goodbye.